Oh, it is a beautiful day today, and let me tell you, it is cold to boot. It is like 19 to 20 degrees, and we got about 3 inches of snow. Super light and fluffy. I'm all excited about it. First, I'm going to give it a go with the tractor. I'm going to go ahead and preface this by saying it's not clickbait. I'm going to get to Ryobi in just a minute. But I'm going to throw my good old Coyote tractor out there, and as you can see, it's failing. All right, so I'm going to put the scraper on. Just wasn't enough snow. It's so light and fluffy, just wasn't working. So let's get the scraping. Well, guess what? That didn't work either. So here we go. 190 miles an hour, 730 CFM. I'm going to blow the snow away. And that's all it's going to take right there. 12 amp hour, 40 volt battery? Are you kidding me? Absolutely, you have enough power. So let's get it. One of the things that I noticed with this is that it was so satisfying to blow all the snow away. As you can see, it was almost therapeutic, if you would. But I will tell you, I am in love with these yard tools from Ryobi, and you wouldn't think that the snowblower, yes, we can call it a snowblower at this point. Maybe it's not marketed at that, but maybe we're going to give Ryobi some ideas here. Maybe there's something that we can get done with these light and fluffy snows. We just got to be able to do something. Let's check this thing out. Not bad at all. Look how clean this is. Now, the only thing you're going to see is the compression of the snow wherever I stepped in it. It's kind of funny. It's almost forensic that we start to see. I saw some little paw prints, and that was actually interesting, but it did such a good job. But we got to clean off the car. Look at this, just blasting the snow off here. Absolutely incredible. I am so impressed with how this worked, and maybe it's just a good thing to have. And we're going to go ahead and blow the sidewalk, get the sidewalk all clear. I'm so happy to have this done. My name is Brent. This is a Lift Rental, and I hope that you all enjoyed this. Hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. This is so fun to try new things with new stuff. Take care.